You are watching a chemistry class on chapter metallurgy. If a question arises, what do you mean by metallurgy? So metallurgy means it is a various process which helps in the extraction of metal from ore is said to be what metallurgy. Okay. So what are the various process of for the extraction of metal from the ore? So there are mainly three steps for the extraction of material from ore. Number one is the concentration of ore. Okay, and second one is the extraction of a metal from the concentrated ore, and third one is the refining of impure metal. So I have written now. I am writing on a whiteboard a three step. Number one is concentration of ore. Ore. Second one is the other name of concentration of ore is what? Enrichment of the ore. Okay. And second one is the extraction of metal. Extraction of what? Metal from ore. And third one is what? What? Ore. Okay. I mean refining of what? Metals, impure metals. Okay. Refining of impure metals. Of ore, there are various processes, namely gravity separation, flotation, chemical process. So these are the various processes. Okay. So number one, first of all, I want to tell you on gravity separation. So you must keep in mind that gravity in the gravity separation, the other name of gravity separation is the hydraulic washing. Okay. So this method is used for the concentration of oxide of ore of heavier metals such as the ore of lead, tin, or iron, etc. Okay, so this method is based upon the difference in the densities of the ore and the unwanted impurities. The powdered ore is spread on a special type of tables having having grooves at the top. Okay, a stream of water is thrown from one side of a table. The unwanted impurities which is being lighter is carried by the stream of water and leaving behind the heavier particles on the table. So this is the process of what? Gravity separation. Clear? And second is the froth flotation. What is froth flotation? You must keep in mind froth flotation, in here the sulfide ore is involved in this process. So this method is used for the concentration of sulfide ore, particularly the ore of copper, lead, and zinc. Okay. So this method is based upon the principle that particles of sulfide ore are preferentially weighted by the oil. Okay. So whereas the unwanted impurities are preferentially weighted by the water. Now, the particles, I mean the powdered ore, is taken in a tank containing water, and some pine oil is added on it. Okay, so now the compressed air is passed through the content of the tank. As a result, oil forms what? Froth, and this froth being lighter and rises up at the top of a tank along with the particles of the sulfide ore sticking to the oil particles. So thus it floats as a scum which is skimmed off. The unwanted impurities weighted by the water, they are heavier and settled down. The froth is then transferred to another tank where it collapses after some time and concentrated ore is obtained. So this is the process of what? Froth flotation. Next is the magnetic separation, and you must know that magnetic separation here the I mean magnetic ore, I mean iron ore is involved in this process. Okay, so in this process you must keep in mind that there are two rollers, one is a magnetic, another one is a non-magnetic. So on one end of the, I mean on the one side, the powdered ore is spread over the on the roller, and when it is moving, then the iron particles will get extracted by the magnet, whereas the non-magnetic substances will not get extracted by the magnet. And when it is rotating, and it will fall off, and whereas the magnetic particles it remain stick with the magnetic roller. When it leaving behind the magnetic roller, then it will get separated. In this way, the iron ore and the non-magnetic ore will get separated from each other. So this is the magnetic separation. Okay. Moreover, and the last one is the chemical separation. So chemical separation I will discuss in the I will discuss the later. Okay. So now, so this is the I was explaining on the concentration of ore. You must keep in mind that number one is gravity separation. Okay. Next is Froth flotation. Separation. And I have written what chemical separation. Okay. And the final one is the what magnetic separation. Very process for the concentration of ore. Okay. And second one is the extraction of metal from ore. So you must keep in mind metal are of the different reactivity, no? So you must keep in mind that depending upon the reactivity, one is the lift reactivity, second one is the moderate reactivity, and third one is the high reactivity. So you must see that the metal which are of least reactivity, you will direct heat. Okay, I mean you have to heat the ore by the process of concentration or maybe calcination. Okay, so and for example, suppose this is what mercury oxide. Suppose when you heat when you heat it, then you will see the mercury and oxygen is left behind, and this means that you get mercury. So this is the mercury is of what least reactivity. अगर कोई लिस्ट रिएक्टिविटी है तो इसको डायरेक्ट क्या करोगे, गर्म करोगे, तो गर्म करने के बाद वो क्या हो जाएगा, सेपरेट हो जाएगी. ओके. लेकिन जो हाई रिएक्टिविटी है, तो हाई रिएक्टिविटी का मतलब मान के चलो कि सोडियम क्लोराइड है, इसको आप क्या करोगे, इलेक्ट्रो रिफाइनिंग आई मीन इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस करोगे, तो देखोगे सोडियम आयन और क्लोराइड आयन जो है वो क्या हो जाएंगे, दोनों अलग अलग हो जाएंगे. ये हो जाएंगे आपका इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक प्रोसेस में. क्लियर हो गया. जो मॉडरेट में आपको दो प्रोसेस आता है, एक आता है कैल्सिनेशन और दूसरा आता है रोस्टिंग. तो याद रखोगे कैल्सिनेशन में कौन सा और काम आता है, कार्बोनेट ओर. कार्बोनेट ओर में क्या होता है, here the oxygen is not involved in it. Okay, so when you heated the calcium carbonate, it forms what, calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. जो रोस्टिंग है, मान के चलो कि अगर ये है आपका जिंक सल्फाइड, आप इसको गर्म करोगे तो क्या बन जाएगा, जिंक ऑक्साइड प्लस सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, ये बन जाएगा. भाई याद रखोगे. तो calcination means the process of heating an ore in the absence of air is said to be what, calcination, whereas the process of heating an ore in the presence of air is said to be roasting. So you must keep in mind that in calcination carbonate ore is involved in this process, whereas in case of roasting sulfide ore is involved in this process. But what are the main objective of heating an ore, इसका मेन मकसद क्या है, तो आप क्या बोलोगे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रिमूवल ऑफ वोलेटाइल इम्प्योरिटीज, रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर. ओके, इज प्रेजेंट. थर्ड वन इज द आई मीन ओर इज चेंजेस टू व्हाट, मेटल ऑक्साइड. देखो दोनों केस में मैंने गर्म किया तो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट से क्या बना, कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड, तो ये हमारा क्या बन गया, ऑक्साइड बन गया. जिंक सल्फाइड है, ये भी हमारा क्या बन गया, जिंक ऑक्साइड बना. मतलब जो ओर है वो किस में चेंज हो गया, जिंक ऑक्साइड में। तो इसके बारे में हम फिर डिटेल में हम समझाएंगे। तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम इसको समझाएंगे। तब तक आप इसको पढ़ते रहिएगा, फिर हम मुलाकात करेंगे अगले क्लास में। तब तक बाय बाय।